right. Good day and welcome to today's lecture. So we'll be doing cosine rule. Cosine rule. The last time we did sine rule, and cosine rule is a little bit different. Cosine rule is a little bit different, and I'm not going to derive the formula. I'm just going to like the sine rule. I'm just going to give out the formula. But let's still draw our diagram. A, B, C. Right. Small letter A, small letter B, small letter C. Now, for cosine rule, it's just simple. We have a square equals to b square plus c square minus 2bc cos a. That's just it. I'm not going to show you how we derive it. But if it's not a square, what if it's b? Now you know I told you the labeling doesn't matter. In as much as it's important, it doesn't matter. Now let me explain it. Okay, let me first write. For B, just change everything. Since we have A, for B, we have B here. So instead of B, we'll just put A square plus C square minus 2AC. Because here was A, so B. The same thing, C square equals to A square plus B square minus 2AB plus what? C. Now, let me make us understand something in this diagram. We don't need to cram this. If we understand the logic, this is the just imagine this is Pythagoras theorem. You see it. That minus 2bc because I don't want to really derive it. But look at this. What is telling you that sine rule, what we did for sine rule, we have two angles, two sides, right? We're either looking for one angle or we're looking for what? One side, right? But for cosine rule, we have three sides and what? One angle. Three sides and one angle. Is either we're looking for any of the sides or we are looking for an angle. Now, whatever side we are looking for, we should have the angle. For example, if we are looking for A, it means that we should have angle. Sorry, if we are looking for A, it means that we should have angle A, and vice versa. If we are looking for angle A, it means that we should have A. Now, let me explain. If we are looking for A, it means that we have the other two sides and we have angle of A. If what we have is the angle of A or of B rather, it means we are looking for B. If not, it's going to be sine we are going to use. Let me give an example. Let's assume we have 5, 4, 30 cube. In this format, we can use what cosine rule. It's even possible they still give us an angle here, which is um, let's say 45. Let's say 45. Now, if they give us angle 45, right, what we are seeing here, we can use sine rule. Since we have this to this and this to this, we can also get here and still use this. But at this point, we are not really looking at whether we have this. Since we have one, two, three, and we have this angle. So what we are going to do is that we are looking for this. So look at it will be q square equals to bc. We'll pick any of this one, right? 5 square plus 4 square minus 2 this one. 2 5 times 4 plus what? 30. Do you see how it works now? That's how it works. So you can try it with other questions and see. You will see that cosine rule, you are either looking for the angle or looking for the side. But you have to check the question first. If you can use sine rule, then there's no need for cosine rule. Only when you cannot use sine rule to solve it, then you use cosine rule. So here we have q square equals to 25 plus 16 minus 220. This cos 30, or let me use cos 60 so that it will be easier to calculate. without calculator. So because 60 will be what 1 over 2, right? This we cancel this. So we have q square equals to 41 minus 20. Q square equals to 41 minus 20 is what? That's 21. So q is going to what? The root of 21. So that's how we got. So you can check it out. Whenever um you cannot use sine rule, you use cosine rule. And that's for this question. If you have any questions you would like us to solve, you can drop it in the comment section. Thank you very